Good evening. This video we are going to discuss about gauges. So normally we are going to discuss about go gauges as well as no go gauges, which can be employed for only uh, the component lies within which limit or not. That only we are going to check. Okay, but here we are not going to measure any dimensions over there. Just we are going to check with the help of the gauges the component lies within which limits or not. That's the thing. So the component it will be going to passes through the both the go gauges, and it does not pass the no go gauge, means it will be acceptable component. Okay, so the component it going to passing through both the go gauge as well as no go gauge, means we can going to reject the component. So the component will not go inside the both go and no go gauges, means we can rework the component. Okay, so like this way we have to do. So some of the gauges we are going to discuss over here, that is the based on the standard limit, it will be classified, that is the standard gauges as well as limit gauges, or go or not go gauges. And based on the consistency of the manufacturing inspection, it may be a working gauges or inspection gauges or reference or master gauges. So inspection gauges is used for the inspection purpose, working gauges is used in the working area, and reference purpose they use that gauges is called it as reference or master gauges. And depending on the element to be checked, like gauges for checking holes, gauges for checking shaft, gauges for checking tapers, the gauges for checking threads, gauges for checking forms. So according to the checking the like a components, threads, holes, or it may be different. Okay, so the type of gauges, and according to the shape of purpose which is used, there is the plug gauges, ring gauges, snap gauges, taper, thread, form, thickness indicating air operated gauges are available. So here mainly we are going to concentrate on the plug gauges and ring snap gauges. So mainly we are going to check over these things. And comes into the standard gauges. Standard gauges are made to the nominal size of the part to be tested, and have the measuring number equal in size to the mean permissible dimensions of the part to be checked. The standard gauge should be made with some slackness. Okay, so actually it is made up of the nominal size of the part to be tested. Okay, that is called as standard gauges. The limit gauges, so the limit gauges is also called as go gauges as well as no go gauges. According to the limit sizes, upper limit and lower limit sizes, they are going to manufacture the uh, go gauges as well as no go gauges. Okay, up to the maximum size of the component, they are going to manufacture the maximum size, that means upper limit. Up to that they are going to manufacture the no go gauge. Okay, so according to the minimum sizes, they are going to the lower limit, they are going to manufacture the go gauge. Okay, so go gauge means the component it will be goes inside the go gauge, and no go gauge means the component should not goes inside the no go the gauge. Okay, so it may be a double end, that means we are going to keep hand like this, going to check the component. Okay, so we'll show you. So this is the double end. So here go gauge, here no go gauge. So this is going to be check the components. So like this they will be going to check. And progressive, so at the same end, so in this end both go gauges and no go gauges it is placed, means that is a progressive type. Okay, so like this the gauges are there. And some of the gauges, no go gauges separate, and go gauge will be going to be keep separate manner. Okay, so like that types of limit gauges are available. Mainly the ring gauges, it is going to measure the shafts. Okay, and the plug gauges is going to measure the holes. Okay, so that is the thing you should have to remember over here. Mainly you can use the plug gauge and ring gauges only. Okay, so here This is the gauges, pin gauge. It can be used to check the holes over there. Okay, this can be used to check the threads. Okay, this side is uh, go gauge, and other side they will be making as a no go gauge. So they will be going to mention over here which is the go gauge, which is the no go gauge. This is the plug gauge. Already I told you, no, plug gauge is look like a plain cylindrical one. It is going to check with the hole size. It is made up of within which particular limit or not. Okay, suppose no go gauge, it will be goes inside, no go gauge it should not go, means that will be acceptable component. Okay, this is the progressive, already I told you. So this is the go gauge, this is the no go gauge. It will be a little bit more diameter compared to no go gauge, which one no go gauge. Okay, so at that time, if you are keeping the component, both it will be goes inside and other thing, it no go gauge, it's not go, means we can accept the component like here. Adjustable snap gauges, this type of gauges, it can be used to check the rectangular component like a height, breadth, width, for those things. Here no go gauge, no go gauge. So the component you are going to keep over here, when go gauge it will go inside, no go gauge it should not go over here. That means that is a acceptable component. Like the snap gauges, mainly it will be employed for only the like a rectangular or square components. So mainly it is used to check the height, length, width. So for that purpose it can be used over there. Then comes into the next thing, ring gauges. So this is one type of ring gauges, another type of ring gauges over here. So these ring gauges which can be used to check the cylindrical components like shafts. Okay, shaft it will be goes. So this is a go gauge. Another ring gauge will be provided. In that no go gauge it should not go. Okay, so and adjustable thread ring gauges. So here you can change the sizes according to our dimensions. Okay, so this will be mainly employed for to checking the threads. Okay, so mainly what we should remember over here, plug gauges it can be used to check the holes, and ring gauges it is going to check the shafts. Okay, and one more thing, the snap gauges and all used for to check the this one the rectangular or square component, and comes into the this one double-handed gauges, plug gauges. Okay, even this also double-handed plug gauges. So this is the single-handed plug gauges. So on the one side only, both go gauge and no go gauge will be placed over here. Okay, that is called as progressive cylindrical plug gauge. Okay, so this is about the gauges. Mainly we should remember about plug gauges and ring gauges. Okay, here double-handed, single-handed means, so the single-handed means this will not be available, only this side only it will be takes place. So that is the single-handed. This is about the gauges.